Hi guys, today I thought I'll do something interesting. I'll ask ChatGPT what does ChatGPT thinks about Hinduism and God and Krishna and and see what it comes up with. Um, so here we go. So it's giving the answer about the Lord Krishna's life. So now this is the next, right. So it says debate. Okay, interesting. So it says in summary, the question of whether Krishna exists as a historical figure remains unresolved and is a matter of faith, belief, and interpretation. While he is widely revered as deity and central figure in Hindu mythology and philosophy, concrete historical evidence to validate his existence is lacking. So basically, he's saying that he didn't exist. So this is ChatGPT. What ChatGPT thinks about Lord Krishna. So let's see if we ask about Lord Hanuman. Okay, symbol of courage. Okay, something positive. Right, let's have a look. Historical verification. Okay, so they haven't answered. They have unverified, and unlike the last answer. So it's interesting. I mean, I can go on and on. And okay, let me ask last question. Um, maybe I need to let's see. Right. So you're saying because there is no one common. Sorry, I'll just move this here. Single founder. So this is interesting, isn't it? That because Hinduism doesn't have a single founder, um, it feels that it could be a mythology. That's very interesting. I don't think that's a valid reason. But anyway, I'll leave you to make whatever of it. This is ChatGPT AI for you. And so be, when you read these answers, I think, I'm not very convinced, but I'll leave you for you to decide. So here we go. And I would suggest why don't you guys also should try it. Try GPT. Maybe ask better questions than I did, and see what the answer is. I hope you found this video interesting and a little amusing. And take care of yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.